Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to free up space on OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign into your account using your Microsoft credentials. This will give you access to your OneDrive dashboard where you can manage all your files and storage. After signing in, wait a moment while the login process completes. The page will refresh and redirect you to your OneDrive dashboard automatically. This is your main hub where you can see all your files, folders, and importantly, your storage information. Now, to free up space on OneDrive, start by directing your attention to the bottom left corner of your OneDrive dashboard. In this area, you'll notice a section that displays your current storage volume and how much space you're currently using. This gives you a quick overview of your storage situation and helps you understand how much space you need to clear. Go ahead and click on this storage link. This action will take you to a dedicated page that shows your complete file list and provides helpful suggestions for managing your storage. This is where OneDrive becomes really useful because it doesn't just show you what's taking up space, it actually guides you on the best ways to reclaim it. On this page, you'll see several options and recommendations for freeing up space. One of the main suggestions is to download old files that you don't need to access frequently in the cloud. By downloading these files to your local computer, you can then remove them from OneDrive, which immediately frees up cloud storage while keeping the files safe on your device. Another important option you'll see is to empty your recycle bin. Just like on your computer, OneDrive has a recycle bin where deleted files are temporarily stored. These files still count against your storage quota even though you've deleted them. So emptying the recycle bin is a quick and effective way to recover space instantly. Following these suggestions and completing this process will successfully free up space on your OneDrive, giving you more room for new files and ensuring your cloud storage runs efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.